If you're restoring a car or truck, you're going to be doing some metal fab, and a bead roller is great for making floor pans, firewalls, wheel tubs, trunk floors, and even pickup truck bed floors. Plus, you can even use the bead roller to make ductwork for HVAC applications. A bead roller not only adds looks, but also strength and rigidity to sheet metal, making it a necessity when doing a lot of sheet metal work. Let's take a look at this bead roller kit from Eastwood, which has now been upgraded to include offset dies, which are incredibly versatile and can virtually replace an entire set of flanging mandrels. And remember, to visit Eastwood at any time, simply click or tap the button in the top corner of the video. This Eastwood bead roller has a 19-inch throat, which means it can form up to a 38-inch wide workpiece, plenty for most floor pans. It will form steel up to 18 gauge and aluminum up to 16 gauge and mount securely in a bench vise. It even has shaft bushings that can be lubricated for improved performance and longevity. It comes with 4 sets of dies that allow you to roll beads as well as flange and tip edges, adding improved strength and appearance. You get 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch bead rolling dies, as well as a set of offset dies. You may have noticed that many bead rollers come with a few sets of flanging dies, but a single set of offset dies like these will replace an entire set of flanging dies and give you even more abilities to create designs. The reason is that you can adjust the offset dies in and out as well as up and down, giving you a variety of shapes, flanges, and offsets, as you can see in this piece, in which all of these shapes were made with a single set of offset dies, but simply set at different positions. Plus, offset dies are great for making different shapes and designs, further expanding their uses for adding strength and appearance. This bead roller is really easy to use. Place your metal where you want the bead to start and set the depth by adjusting the tensioning handle. Begin turning the crank handle, moving the metal through the bead roller until you're finished. Release the tensioning handle and remove the workpiece. Repeat the steps for the remainder of the beads until you're finished with your design, giving the metal additional strength. Flanging edges is just as easy and makes your finished floor pans look great because they roll a perfect edge to overlap the sheet metal. And fabricating these parts yourself saves you money and gives you pride in a job done right. Another great aspect of this bead roller is that there are numerous accessories available if you want to expand its capabilities and do even more metal fab. The guide fence is great when making long beads or flanges when you want the best results and accuracy. The 14-inch span assures the straightest lines and best results. If you prefer a spoke crank handle, one is available at Eastwood that is easily installed on this bead roller. We also offer additional dies for this bead roller, as well as the other bead rollers in our line, including flange dies, bead roller dies, louver dies, and tipping and offset dies. The louver dies allow you to produce 3/4 inch wide by 3/16 tall louvers in 18 gauge steel or 14 gauge aluminum, providing the function and appearance you're looking for in sheet metal. If you want the ultimate in fabrication with a bead roller, you need to check out the bead roller forming dies from Eastwood. These dies allow you to make hemmed edges, create offsets and flanges, and even form style lines, contours, and channels. That means you can fabricate your own fender flares, dashboard inserts, trans tunnels, and more. Plus, you can even upgrade and attach a motor to the bead roller, making it even easier to roll beads by yourself and get the precision you want. As you can see, this bead roller from Eastwood would be a great addition to your home garage. If you're restoring a car or doing metal fab, you need a bead roller. So click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen to get more info today on this bead roller and others at Eastwood.